Hello students, welcome to Manish Imperial classes. Here the lecture number second, and in this lecture we are going to solve this problem based on receipts and payment account. Okay, let's solve it. First we read the question. From the following particulars relating to Rotary Club Patna, prepare receipts and payment account for the year ending 31st December 2022. Cash in hand on 1st Jan 2022 7500. Cash at bank as on 1st January 2022 68,000. These are opening balances. Now, subscription 2021 15,000, 2022 2,20,000, 2023 6,000. Total subscription received 2,41,000. Okay, our current year is 2022. 2022 is current year, and 2021 15,000. It means we received subscription 15,000 in 2021, due in 2020, sorry, received in 2022, due in 2021. Okay, subscription 2021 15,000 means we received subscription 15,000 in current year 2022, due in 2021. Okay, 2022 2,20,000 means subscription received 2,20,000 for the current year 2022. 2023 6,000, it means subscription received 6,000 in current year, that is 2022, for next year 2023. This is the advance subscription. This is the advance subscription. Okay, next, donation received 25,000. This is the general donation. Donation received for building 2 lakh. This is a special donation. A special donation means donation received for a specific purpose, such as donation received for building, donation received for furniture, donation received for some specific purpose, called a special donation. 8% investment purchase 2 lakh. Purchase of refreshment 12,000, rent paid 6,000, entrance fee received, honorarium to secretary, interest on investment, furniture purchase, sale of all furniture, sports material purchase, sale of refreshment, salary paid, sports expense including unpaid expense 5,000, total 25,000. Cash in hand as on 31st December 2022 16,200. Okay, this is closing cash balance. Now we are going to prepare receipts and payment account. First we draw the pro forma or format of receipts and payment account. First we write heading receipts and payment account of club's name. Club's name is given Rotary Club. In bracket we write for the year ended 31st December 2022. Okay, in receipts and payment account there are 4 columns. Left hand side receipts, amount, payments, amount. Okay, in debit side all receipts are recorded, and in credit side all payments are recorded. Left hand side shows the debit side and right hand side shows the credit side. First, receipts and payment account starts with opening balance of cash, or opening balance of bank, or opening balance of bank overdraft. So cash in hand 1st Jan 2022, opening balance of cash is given, so we start to balance BD. Cash in hand 7,500, cash at bank 68,000. This is positive bank balance. Cash at bank debit balance means positive balance of bank. If negative balance is bank, then we say overdraft. Okay, next, subscription. Subscription is revenue receipt recorded on debit side to subscription. 2021 15,000. It means subscription due in 2021 received in current year. So recorded in current year. 2022 subscription received 2,20,000, and subscription received for next year, this is advance subscription received 2023 6,000. Total subscription received in current year 2,41,000. Okay. Next, donation received. This is revenue receipt recorded on debit side. This is general donation 25,000. Donation received for building, this is or it is a special donation, and all receipts are recorded on debit side, either revenue receipt or capital receipt. So donation for building is capital receipt but recorded in receipts and payment account. Donation for building 2 lakh. Next, 8% investment purchased. If we purchase investment then paid, so it is payment by 8% investment. Amount is 2 lakh. Purchase of refreshment, purchase, it is payment by refreshment purchased, or we just write refreshment 12,000. Next, rent paid, it is also payment by rent. Amount is 6,000. Entrance fee received, recorded on debit side because entrance fee is receipt 18,000. Honorarium to secretary. Honorarium is a remuneration paid to non-regular employee of not-for-profit organization. So it is a remuneration and is payment by honorarium, recorded on credit side. Amount is 10,000. Next, interest on investment. If we invest then received interest, so recorded on receipt side. To interest on investment, amount is 9,000. Okay, furniture purchase, we purchased furniture and paid, so recorded on payment side by furniture 20,000. Sale of all furniture cost 6,000 but received 4,000, and in receipts and payment account only receipts and only payments are recorded. So received amount is 4,000, so recorded on receipt side. To sale of furniture, sale of old furniture, and cost is ignored, only taken received amount 4,000. Sports material purchase is payment, so recorded on payment side by sports material. Amount is 80,000. Sale of refreshment, if we sell refreshment then received, so recorded on receipt side. To sale of refreshment, amount is 30,000. This is 4,000. Salary paid students, salary paid is payment, so recorded on payment side by salary. Amount is 74,000. And sports expense 25,000 including unpaid 4,000. It means net payment amount is 20,000. So sports expense 25,000 total sports expense, but 5,000 is outstanding, so net payment only 20,000. So 20,000 is recorded on debit, so on credit side of receipts and payment account. Now closing cash balance, opening cash balance right here, then closing cash balance right as by balance CD. This is the basic concept of accounting. Cash in hand 16,200. Now we balance receipts and payment account. First we add debit amounts. Okay students, first we add debit amounts. 75,000 plus 68,000 plus then to 2,41,000 plus 25,000 plus 2 lakh plus 18,000 plus 9,000 plus 4,000 plus 30,000. Debit total is 6,02,500. Now we add up credit amounts. Credit amounts, first we takes 2 lakh plus 12,000 plus 6,000 plus 10,000 plus 20,000 plus 80,000 plus 74,000 plus 20,000 plus 16,200, and credit total 438,200. Excess in debit side, so balance in credit side. If we start with opening cash balance, then we close with closing cash balance. If we start with opening bank balance, then we must close with closing bank balance. So balance with cash at bank. Find the difference between these two amounts. 438,200, 600 or 6,02,500 minus 4,38,200, and we get 164,300. This is the closing bank balance, 1,64,300. Now we total 602,500 or 6,02,500. Okay. Receipts and payment account is prepared like cash book. Okay. So students, this question has been solved. Thank you.